Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Gary from SpongeBob. So first let's get started. Over on the left hand side, we're going to start with our eyes. So on the left hand side, we're going to start by drawing a nice big circle for our left eye. Let's leave a small gap in the center, and moving over towards the right, we'll replicate that. In the middle now, we're going to draw in another circle right in the center of both eyes. Lining that up at the same height, we'll replicate that on the left-hand side. In the top right-hand corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight of the eye. And now in the middle, we're going to draw in another circle in the center. To the right of this now, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches all the way down towards the bottom of the page. We'll do the same thing on the right, arching this down. We'll draw in the mouth first, and then we'll draw the rest behind. So coming underneath, let's curve this line around, connecting that together, bringing that in towards the middle. We'll flip over towards the left-hand side, leaving a small gap, and we'll replicate that, curving that around, and then blending that in on the bottom. On the top, we're going to draw in an arch line, curving that over towards the right. And now starting on the left-hand side, we'll replicate this. So starting at the top, we're going to be wider and then get thinner as we come down towards the base. And then moving over towards the left-hand side again, we'll replicate that, bringing that all the way down. Now let's draw the mouth in the center. So on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On either side of that, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on the bottom. In the center, we'll draw in a straight line that comes up. On either side, we're going to bring a diagonal line that comes out. And then we'll replicate that again one more time. Let's draw in the shell now. So on the top, we're going to arch this line over and across. And then we're going to curve this line up towards our left eye. We'll continue to bring the shell across. So on the right hand side, on the top line, we're going to follow this down and then out. Coming across towards the right, we're going to curve this line around and then up towards the top. Underneath this, moving further in, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And now from here, we're going to continue to extend this line over and out on the left. Let's draw on the rest of the shell. So coming on towards the top, we're going to continue to curve this line around. So we're going to arch this line all the way around, in towards the middle. And then starting in the center, we'll continue to arch this line all the way around and then down on the right-hand side. Underneath now on the left-hand side, let's arch this line around and then in. We'll continue to curve this line around and across. Starting back in the corner there, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Again, we'll curve this out on the right-hand side, bringing that in. Moving up on the right-hand side, replicating that. We'll arch this line across and then in. And then one last time, we're just going to arch this line around and then in towards the shell. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then on the point there, we're going to curve this back around and out. Underneath now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll curve this line around and then in towards the mouth. Let's draw on the pattern on the shell now. So on the side, we're going to curve this line on the left-hand side, bringing this up. We'll do the same thing on the right. On the inside, we're going to continue to extend this all the way up, down, and then back up. From the point here now, we're going to curve this line around and out towards the middle. And now from here, we're just going to continue to curve this line all the way around and then down on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side now, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. And then moving up on a diagonal, we'll replicate that. Above here now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. To the right, we're going to draw in a half oval. Beside our right eye, we're going to draw in another oval. Moving down, we're going to draw in a smaller oval. Over on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in another oval. And now behind our left eye, we're going to curve this line across and then curving that back around and in towards the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Gary from SpongeBob. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.